Okay, now you pay attention and listen to what I have for you. In Ghana here, we have two different species of the African elephant. Two different species of the African elephant. We have the forest elephant and we also have the savanna elephant. If you visit a place like Kakum National Park, down south, that is